Welcome to PaidToday, how to edit an invoice. First thing we need to do, open up the invoices tab on the left sidebar here. You can see that we've got our invoices pulled up, and only draft status invoices are editable. Pending status is not editable. It means it has been sent, and that you guys have, essentially both agreed on the details of those invoices. So those are not editable, and in that case you would void it and write up a new invoice to which then you guys can agree upon. But draft invoices have not been sent, but they can both be seen by both parties. So we're going to go ahead and click on the edit button for this draft invoice here on the right, and draft status. So say I had written this up and I shared it with them, they took a look at it and they say, you know what, actually we can't afford the custom detailing right now. So what I'm going to do is just go down here and click on the trash can here, and we're going to go ahead and remove that line item. And then we can see that the invoice has now updated, and we can go ahead and click save. And the other thing too is maybe you wanted to extend the due date or any of those changes. Those can also be made here if you change the date. Say maybe give them an extra couple days, and we'll just save that again. And any updates that you make here, once I save that through the client portal, the customer can see the updated invoice, and so then they can take a look at this and say, yep, that looks good. Once they give me the confirmation, I can go ahead and click send. And the only thing you want to make sure that you have the share draft with client turned on. That way they can see it in the client portal, in your business's client portal.